Welcome to EDT 603, Language, Literacy, and Culture. The focus of this course will be on culturally responsive teaching. I have provided this video to give you a course overview. It will show you the basic framework of the course. When you access the presentation on the home page under Resources, you will have access to all of these live links. There is a table of contents, and the hyperlinks will direct you right to that section. In addition, I've provided the course objectives so that you can see how each one meets the assignment and vice versa. I've broken down literacy into this framework. In 603, we will look at all aspects of writing, reading, thinking, and speaking. And we will break them down into word study, comprehension, and fluency. This course also includes technology standards. For 21st century literacy, it is essential that teachers know how to substitute, augment, modify, and redefine their instruction to effectively include technology. The course organization can be found in the table of contents along the side of the home page. In addition, you should look at each of these sites carefully to see what is required, what you need to do, and how to contact myself and others in your group. The course assignments for this class fall under readings, a digital notebook, slides, and a literature review. The readings for this course are all contained in the text set. In addition, you will have 3 anchor texts that you can find on the course homepage. As you read these texts, which will include articles, journal articles, poems, essays, TV shows, movies, etc., you will create a slide for each one that will demonstrate your ability to understand and apply the content. Finally, the key assessment in this class is a literature review and provides the foundation for your eventual master's defense or completion of your reading endorsement. During the summer, the class is offered in 6 weeks, and this summary demonstrates what weekly assignments you will have. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to reach out. There is a table for FAQs, which you can find on the home page. You may email me, and you may also call my cell phone. Your group will also have a Trello board, so you can seek out information from them as well. I hope you enjoy the course, and I look forward to meeting with you.